Students, we discuss in this video the quiescent space of vector space. We discuss the definition of quiescent space and its theorem. First, we define quiescent space. Quiescent space. Let W be any subspace of vector space VF. Let alpha be any element of vector space VF. Then the set W plus alpha equals to gamma plus alpha for all gamma belongs to W is called right coset of W in V vector space VF generated by alpha. Alpha is generator of the vector space VF. Similarly, this set alpha plus W equals to alpha plus gamma for all gamma belongs to W is left coset of W in vector space VF also generated by alpha. Quiescent space also denoted by V upon W. There are two types of cosets, right cosets and left cosets. The symbol of quiescent space also denoted by V upon W. The theorem depends on quiescent space. If W is a subspace, of finite dimensional vector space VF then dimension V upon W equals to dimension V minus dimension W. Proof. Let M be dimension of subspace W of vector space VF. Suppose M is the dimension of vector subspace W of vector space VF. Let S equals to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha m, because M be the dimension of W is a basis of W. Since S is linearly independent, subset of V, it can be extended in the basis of V, vector space VF. Let set S dash equals to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha m, beta 1, beta 2, beta L. Be a basis of V, dimension V equals to M plus L, dimension V minus dimension W, M plus L minus M equals to L. To prove we should prove dimension V upon W equals to L. The right hand side, dimension V minus dimension W, M plus L minus M, L. We should prove dimension V upon W equals to L. In this reference, let set of L cosets S1 equals to W plus beta 1, W plus beta 2, W plus beta L. Is basis of V upon W. First, we shall prove S1, set S1 is linearly independent A1 W plus beta 1, A2 W plus beta 2 plus AL W plus beta L equals to 0. Sorry, W, because W is 0 vector of V upon W. W is a unit vector of space V upon W. W plus A1 beta 1 A2 beta 2 plus AL beta L W और A1 beta 1 A2 beta 2 plus AL beta L belongs to W. A1 A2 AL equals to 0. A1 A2 AL equals to 0 because beta 1 beta 2 beta L are linearly independent. This set S1 is linearly independent. We shall show V equals to LS1, linear span S1. Alpha belongs to V and W plus alpha is element of V upon W. Alpha equals to C1 alpha 1 C2 alpha 2 plus CM alpha M D1 beta 1 up to so on DL beta L W plus alpha W plus C1 alpha 1 C2 alpha 2 CM alpha M D1 beta 1 D2 beta 2 plus DL beta L W plus gamma D1 beta 1 plus DL beta L gamma equals to C1 alpha 1 plus CM alpha M. Let W plus D1 beta 1 DL beta L और D1 W plus beta 1 D2 W plus beta 2 plus DL W plus beta L hence V upon W equals to linear span S1. S1 is basis of V upon W. Hence dimension V upon W equals to L, or dimension V upon W equals to dimension V minus dimension W. Hence proved.